Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and the school situated in Gola Bazar. Now come on the topic that is exercise 20. So in question number, although I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Now come on exercise 20, and in exercise 20 the first question is, on last day we have discussed about symmetry, what are symmetry, and also we have discussed about how many lines of symmetry in a plane figure have, as like how many lines of symmetry in a rectangle have, how many lines of symmetry in a square have, and how many lines of symmetry in a triangle have. And after that also we have discussed how many lines of symmetry in a circle have. Now that is exercise 20. We have to solve it one by one. So come on the chapter and let's discuss on the chapter 20. In exercise 20, the first question is, you can see in your book on page number 208. First question is, tick the object that are symmetrical. First question is, tick the object that are symmetrical. Question number A, there is an traffic controller, and in A that is not symmetrical. Question number A is not symmetrical, and question number A is symmetrical. When you will draw a line of symmetry, this will divide into two equal sides. So question number A is symmetrical, B is symmetrical, C is not symmetrical, D is not symmetrical, and E is symmetrical. So A, B and E are symmetrical. So, and figure A, figure B and figure E are symmetrical, and question number C and question number D are not symmetrical, means asymmetrical. Once again, question number 1 is, tick the object that are symmetrical. You have to tick the object that are symmetrical. Figure 1 is symmetrical, figure B is also symmetrical, and figure C is not symmetrical, means asymmetrical, and D is also not symmetrical, means asymmetrical, and E is symmetrical. So A, B and E are symmetrical, and C and D are not symmetrical, are asymmetrical. Okay, now come on question number 2. Question number 2, draw all the lines of symmetry. Draw all the lines of symmetry. Draw all the lines of symmetry. Draw all the lines of symmetry of the following figures. Of the following figures. Draw all the lines of symmetry in the following figures. Okay, now come on the first question, that is question number A, and question number A is, in this figure there is one line of symmetry. So you can see here. Question number B. Question number B. This is a such type of figure. In this figure also one line of symmetry. In this figure also one line of symmetry. After that, question number C. And the question number C is, this figure is Also in this figure, there are two lines of symmetry. In this figure, question number C, there are two lines of symmetry. Question number second C, there are second C. In question number second C, draw all the lines of symmetry. So there are two lines of symmetry. One is sustained first, and second one is vertical, horizontal. Okay, and now question number D. In question number D, that is in this figure, there is also one line of symmetry. Question number E. Question number E. In this figure, zero lines of symmetry. In this figure, there is no line of symmetry. In this figure, there is no line of symmetry. Now come on the next figure. That is question number F. That is question number F. And in question number F, there is a star. And in question number F, there is a star. In this figure, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five line of symmetry. Okay. Now question number G. Question number G. In this figure, also one line of symmetry, and that is question number H. H. Question number H, that is one line of symmetry. There is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 line of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry, and after that, the next one is question number HI. Question number I. There is also one line, two lines of symmetry. And after that, the next figure is question number EH, GH, I, J. Question number J. Question number J, question number J, there is two lines of symmetry. One is horizontal and one is vertical. After that, the next question is, we have discussed how many lines of symmetry in the following figures. Now the next question is how many lines of symmetry, how many lines of symmetry do the following have? How many lines of symmetry do the following have? Do the following have. How many lines of symmetry do the following have? Now, that is, first question is, there is an trapezium, pentagon, trapezium, pentagon, pentagon. Okay. A, B shading. A is a trapezium. B is a pentagon. B is a pentagon. C is B is a pentagon. C is and D is a parallelogram. Now come on to discuss first. In trapezium there is one line of symmetry. In a pentagon there are 5 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines of symmetry. In this figure there are 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 lines of symmetry. In this figure there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 1 line of symmetry. There are 1 line of symmetry. Only 1 line of symmetry. And this or cannot overlap. There is only one line of symmetry in this figure. Now come on the question number 4. Study the alphabets and number below and answer the question that follow. Which character have no lines of symmetry? So listen the answer carefully. Fourth ka A. Which characters have no lines of symmetry? So in figures 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z. These are no line of symmetry. Which character have one line of symmetry? Question number 4th ka B. Which character have one line of symmetry? So 3, A, B, C, D, E, K, M, T, U, V, W and V. Now question number C. Which characters have two lines of symmetry? In 0, A, H, I and X. Sorry, 0, 8, H, I, O and X. These figures have two lines of symmetry. And after that question number 4. Which character have more than two lines of symmetry? So this answer is none. Koi nahi, no one. Okay. Now once again. Question number 1, 4th ka A. Which characters have no lines of symmetry? So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z. These are no line of symmetry. Question number B. Which character have one line of symmetry? 3, A, B, C, D, E, K, L, M, T, U, V, W and V. After that question number C. Which characters have two lines of symmetry? So O, A, H, I, O and X. Which characters have more than one line of symmetry? There is no any figure which have more than one line of symmetry. So this answer is none. Now we will discuss on chapter 21 on next day. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing it.